Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Self-Powered Roadside Accident Alert Beacon. So mainly any roadside accident detected, automatically that light should be on. So it will send a GSM GPS. GPS will track the latitude longitude and it will send predefined SMS alerts. So we fixed with the two mobile numbers. Okay. So 5 volts power supply module connected with the ESP32 AA thinker board, ESP32 module, GSM SIM 900A SMS alert, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module connected to the RX1, TX1 connected to the GSM, RX1 connected to the GPS location, GPS module, and alarm connected to the fourth pin, 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 16 cross 2 LCD display, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5, and green LED connected to the 26, and there are 4 LEDs indicators connected to the 13, 12, 14, 27, and vibration impact sensor connected to the ADC 32 pin, ADXL 335 IMP, accelerometer, acceleration sensor, tilt sensor connected to the X coordinate, Y coordinate connected to the 34 and 35. This is our total block diagram of the project, and we are getting the right accident, front accident, back accident, impact sensor, and left accident also. Okay, all are getting one by one. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay, connected to the here GSM model, GSM SIM 900A. So here we are using Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, upside locked, downside unlock. Okay, you can take the SIM card, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, insert the SIM card slowly. Okay, lock the SIM card. Okay, GSM SIM 900A, ESP32 AA thinker board. Okay, here is the reset button. This is programming button, USB socket, reset button, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be connected to the LCD. Those are connected with the 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5. And here ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor, IMU sensor connected to the 34 and 35. Vibration sensor, impact sensor connected to the 32 pin. And here GPS module connected to the serial communication 1. Okay, GSM connected to the serial communication 2. So here 4 LEDs. Okay, red LEDs. When accident occurred, red LEDs on. Green LED, there is no accident. And alarm. Okay, so now I'm going to start the power supply. Self-powered roadside accident alert beacon. Project title name, latitude value, longitude value, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. X coordinate value, Y coordinate value normal, green LED on. Now I am going to bend one side. Okay, bending one side, left accident occurred, red LED is on, green LED off, alarm on. If you open it, it will give longer sound. Okay, if it is minor accident, you can press reset button. If it is major accident, so it will send the SMS alert to two numbers, one for me, other one is the student number. Yeah, left accident detected, vehicle location place, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, so now the LEDs will be on and off. Okay, two SMS alerts sent, LED strobe on. Okay, LEDs on and off. Okay, then you need to press reset button. Latitude value, longitude value, exact latitude value, longitude value. GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. Now green LED on, impact detection. It will take maximum value impact. Okay, left axis, impact detected. Sending SMS. Vibration impact detected. Time is 7:24 time. Vibration detected. Left accident, back accident, front accident, right accident. LED strobe on. Press reset button. So this is our total block diagram of the project. Right side bending, right accident. If it is minor accident, you can press reset button. If it is major accident, then it will send SMS alerts to mobile numbers. Right accident detected, sending SMS 1 and SMS 2. SS sent. Vibration, accelerometer, and LEDs blinking. LED strobe on. Okay, press reset button. Then it will start from the main function. Alarm, LEDs, green LED, GPS, latitude band, longitude band, and GSM module, SIM 900A, power supply. Okay, initialized successfully. Green LED on. Front accident detected. Then sending the SMS alerts. Yeah, front accident detected. So like that same back accident also. This is the back accident. Left accident, right accident, back accident, front accident, and tilt detection. Strobe on. Okay, then press reset button. Thank you.